When it comes to precision hunting, nothing matters more than accuracy and power. The top 5 best crossbow broadhead in this year ensures deep penetration, clean kills, and consistent performance, giving hunters the edge they need for a successful and ethical hunt every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. TenPoint Crossbow Broadhead. The TenPoint Nemesis Crossbow Broadhead is built for hunters who demand maximum penetration, accuracy, and devastating wound channels. This 100-grain mechanical broadhead is engineered to deliver exceptional performance on the toughest game, cutting a massive 2-blade, 2-inch entry wound, and an equally impressive 4-blade, 2-inch by 1.75-inch exit hole. With a total cut of 3.75 inches, ensures rapid hemorrhaging and quick, ethical kills. Designed with a 4-blade configuration, it transfers the extra kinetic energy from today's fastest crossbows into more lethal stopping power. This means even marginal hits can still cause substantial tissue damage, improving the chances of creating a large blood trail and faster recovery of game. The Nemesis Broadhead has been tested at speeds up to an incredible 900 FPS, consistently matching the point of impact of field points, which ensures your shooting accuracy remains precise in real hunting scenarios. Its durable construction and advanced blade orientation give hunters an advantage in challenging situations, minimizing lost animals. The combination of power and precision makes it one of the most accurate mechanical broadheads available. Built by TenPoint, a trusted name in the crossbow industry, the Nemesis is part of a complete hunting system designed to help hunters fill their freezers or achieve trophy-level success. From assembly to field use, every detail is fine-tuned for maximum effectiveness, giving you confidence in every shot. Whether you're chasing whitetails, elk, or other big game, this broadhead is made to perform when it matters most. Its high-quality engineering ensures repeatable performance hunt after hunt, so you never have to second-guess your gear. For hunters who refuse to settle for anything less than top-tier accuracy and deadly penetration, the TenPoint Nemesis stands as a formidable choice, blending cutting-edge design with field-tested reliability. With this broadhead in your quiver, you are equipped with the tools needed for an ethical, efficient, and successful hunt every time. Number 2. TenPoint EVO Crossbow Broadhead. The TenPoint EVO Crossbow Broadhead package delivers both quality and value for hunters seeking dependable performance in the field. Included in the package are 12 high-quality carbon fiber crossbow bolts measuring 20 inches in length and weighing approximately 400 grains each, along with 6 precision-engineered broadheads. These bolts are crafted for durability, accuracy, and consistent flight, making them suitable for both hunting and target practice. The included broadheads are made from anodized aluminum paired with super-hard stainless steel blades, resulting in a sharp, durable, and high-performing 100-grain head. Featuring a 3-blade design, they are capable of delivering deep penetration and clean kills, whether you're targeting deer, hogs, or similar game. One standout feature is the replaceable tip system, allowing hunters to easily swap out worn tips, extending the lifespan of each broadhead. The combination of sturdy carbon bolts and lethal broadheads ensures maximum energy transfer upon impact, making every shot count. Designed to fit a variety of crossbows, the EVO setup provides hunters with the versatility they need for different hunting scenarios. The bolts are fletched with 4-inch feathers, offering stability during flight and improving accuracy over distance. TenPoint's strict quality inspection ensures that each component meets the highest standards before leaving the factory, so hunters can have confidence in their gear. This set is perfect for both beginners looking for a complete hunting package and seasoned hunters who want a reliable backup set. The balance of affordability, performance, and precision makes the TenPoint EVO a smart choice for any crossbow enthusiast. With careful use and proper maintenance, this kit will serve reliably across multiple hunting seasons, making it an excellent investment in your hunting arsenal. Number 3. LWANO Crossbow Broadhead. The LWANO Crossbow Broadhead is a reliable and powerful option for hunters who prioritize durability, accuracy, and consistent performance. Engineered for high-performance crossbows, this broadhead is designed to deliver deep penetration with lethal cutting efficiency. Is built from premium-grade materials, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and the ability to withstand high-velocity impacts without deformation. The 3-blade configuration maximizes tissue damage while promoting straight flight and consistent accuracy, making it suitable for taking down medium to large game. Precision crafted to minimize deflection upon entry, the LWANO Broadhead ensures clean wound channels that facilitate quicker game recovery. Its aerodynamic design enhances stability in flight, helping hunters maintain pinpoint accuracy even at extended ranges. Installation is straightforward, and the Broadhead secures tightly to the shaft, ensuring it stays in place during use. Each head undergoes strict quality checks to guarantee optimal performance, so hunters can rely on it in critical moments. The combination of sharpness, strength, and precision makes it a versatile choice for various hunting conditions, whether you're in dense woodland or open fields. This Broadhead is designed to match field point accuracy, allowing for consistent shot placement without having to adjust your sight. Number 4. G5 Outdoors Crossbow Broadhead. The G5 Outdoors T2 Crossbow Broadhead is built for hunters seeking unmatched cutting power, durability, and precision. Featuring a 2-inch cutting diameter, this 2-blade, expandable broadhead delivers devastating wound channels for quick, ethical kills. Constructed entirely from 100% steel, the T2 is strong enough to withstand bone-crushing impacts without bending or breaking, ensuring long-term reliability. Its signature zip-tip design enhances penetration and accuracy by minimizing deflection on entry, even through tough hide and bone. The socket lock retention system provides a secure and quiet blade hold, eliminating any rattle or premature deployment during the hunt. This design also reduces overhang, creating a more compact arrow profile that improves flight stability. Upon impact, the rearward opening blades deploy smoothly, maximizing tissue damage while retaining energy for deeper penetration. The result is a broadhead capable of taking down even the toughest game animals with efficiency. The G5T2 is engineered for repeatable performance, hunt after hunt, and is an excellent choice for both seasoned hunters and those new to archery hunting. The sharpness and durability of its blades make it effective for multiple uses, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Number 5. SEVR Crossbow Broadhead. The SEVR Crossbow Broadhead stands out with its innovative lock and pivot blade system, which locks open and pivots upon impact to enhance penetration on quartering shots and bone hits. This design ensures the Broadhead maintains its cutting path even through challenging angles, resulting in more effective wound channels. The practice lock mode allows hunters to practice with the actual broadheads without dulling the blades, ensuring true point-of-impact accuracy during real hunts. Constructed with a Grade 5 titanium ferrule, the SEVR is both lightweight and incredibly durable, withstanding repeated high-velocity impacts without compromising performance. Its 1.75-inch stainless steel blades are fully contained during flight, reducing drag and ensuring field point accuracy. Upon impact, the blades create a stretch cut effect, expanding hide, and increasing wound size for better blood trails and faster game recovery. Specifically rated for high-speed crossbows, the SEVR's blades remain securely closed during flight, even at extreme velocities. This broadhead is ideal for hunting mule deer, antelope, hogs, and other medium to large game. The precision tip ensures straight, accurate penetration, while the robust construction means you can rely on it in harsh hunting environments. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.